Is blockchain just a money transfer thing, or is there more to it? Now it depends on blockchain, right? That if a blockchain could just be a money transfer thing, or could actually be a lot more than that, right? And what could be done is, just a sec. It depends on blockchain. Like if it is Bitcoin, right, then most probably it's just a money transfer thing, because Bitcoin does not have what we call a virtual machine to compute the contracts, the smart contracts. So Bitcoin is just a money transfer thing. It's nothing more than that, right? The blockchain that has Bitcoin. Okay. Ethereum, on the other hand, it brought the concept of developing on blockchain or using blockchain. So what we can do is we can interact with Ethereum chain, right? And then we can create contracts and we can create stuff on Ethereum chain, right? And from there, came the concept of using blockchain as a database. That's the data storing mechanism. You can actually store any sort of data in a blockchain, right? You can store data, you can store files, you can store your images. You, if you want, you can store videos, right? I hope that some of you might know NFTs. You can store your NFTs or digital arts on blockchain, right? So no, it's not just a money transfer thing. It's a lot more than that. People are working on supply chain management as well as we speak right now, right? On And that is something that is very cumbersome. Supply chain managing is something that is very difficult, but at the same time, people think that blockchain is the one that can actually solve it. Luxo is working on it. Like, please go ahead if you want. You guys can actually go ahead and check it out, right? Fabian is the one leading it, and he's one of the Ethereum core developers, right? And as well as I recently heard about it too, that Fabian was the one who actually created ERC tokens, or contract, like improvements or EIPs. Uh, like if you are able to create tokens today, that's because of him. So please go ahead, check Luxo out too. That's going to be a good project too. Right? And it's on supply chain, but again, that would also include a money transfer thing, but the use cases could be different for sure. uh, and we are yet exploring it, but the finance part of it is quite powerful, because blockchain, what it can do is it can remove third parties from our system. What I mean by that is we do not really need banks for our money, right? For our money management, what we can do is we can simply, if I want to transfer money to you, what I have to do is I have to check my bank account, take your bank account, and then from the bank I'll have to transfer it to your bank, and then you'll receive the money. So this is the transfer system that works right now, right? But through blockchain, what I can do is I can simply, I can send money to you, and because it's blockchain, it is secure and decentralized, so nobody's controlling it. It's just there on the internet, and nobody's controlling it. So your money is actually sent peer to peer, not using a third party. So this is a trustless system where you don't have to trust a third party to manage your money. Instead, you are the one who's in control of your money, right? So this is what is very powerful. So this is why you'll see a lot of finance applications of blockchain, but instead it does have another uses as well. Say the Dogecoin, now that's a chain. If there is any question, well, try not to ask. What are NFTs? NFTs are all right. Let me. I was about to share my screen, right, guys? Something else happened. Let me just show you something then.